Hi everyone, welcome back to Beautiful Experiences for You. Just got home, did my monthly facial, and there was 2 boxes. So I had to jump on. So I'm going to film this one right now. And then the next video I'm going to be filming is a new home edit box. So enjoy this one and stay tuned for the next one. But I got another Farmer's Find box. I am assuming that this is the current monthly because they were delayed shipping out my first monthly. So that's what I think this is the actual monthly box. Now, we will be able to tell when I open it if there's more items in here, then it's going to be the quarterly. So we're just going to have to see what it is. So here we go. If you haven't seen me unbox a Farmer's Finds box before, I do have maybe at least 3 or 4 videos. I started subscribing to them last year, and they have a monthly box, and it's $24.99 every month. And then they have a quarterly box, and I forgot to write that down. So down in the details below is the pricing for the quarterly box. I tend to like the monthly box less than the quarterly. I like the quarterly. I feel you get a better variety of items, and I've liked the items better in the quarterly. So let's see what this one is. Based on the number of items, I'm thinking this is the quarterly. Let's see here. Thank you. Through your subscription, you will discover unique small batch brands and support the passionate creators behind them. The premium products you will receive every 3 months take time and care to create, and we trust you will feel the love put into every single item. So they go around to farmers markets and identify brands and things that they like and love, and they put them in a box. So how cool is that? All right, the first thing we got here, Benissimo avocado oil. Okay. This was at a farmer's market? Really? Huh. Yeah, it says handcrafted in Tucker, Georgia. So, okay. So this is straight up 100 pure avocado oil. I've used it before, but I haven't for a while. High heat up to 500 degrees. It is great for barbecuing, stir frying, salads, and it looks like baking. Okay, there you go. That's I'll put that here. There you go. First item. Second item from Georgia Vidala. Is that how you say the onion? Vidala? It's peach salsa from Tiger, Georgia. It's got tomatoes and peaches, and it's Georgia grown. So I don't like peaches. That's just me. Personal preference, that's it. But this is a very big jar of salsa. This is 16 ounces, and this one is 16.9. So these are really nice size items here. And if I'm remembering, wait a second, hold up. It says distributed by Benissimo, handcrafted in Tucker, Georgia. But then right up here, there's a stamp. It says best if used by, I don't know if this is the US date or if it's a European date, but it is 2028. Product of Spain. I don't know if you can really see that up there. So PROD of Spain. I don't consider that a farmer's market item, but that's just me. But it is a nice size bottle of avocado oil. All right, next we got white cheddar jalapeno dip mix, country home creation since 1980. And there we go. Goodrich, Michigan. All right, there you go. We still got more items in here. The next, I'm pretty sure we've gotten this before, but I think it was a little bottle. Pilsudski, family owned since 1977. It's 100% natural, vegan, gluten-free, kosher, and it's dill pickle mustard. I love it. Oh my goodness. Hot dogs, hamburgers, potato salad. If you want your deviled eggs, there's just so many uses for this. I remember this now. Oh, this one makes me excited because it's something different. Because these, I feel like I've seen these before. This makes me excited. Okay, more stuff in here. We got a bath bomb, cedarwood and ylang ylang. And it is from the Winter Rose shop. And it's a Y and not an I. You really got to put your nose up to it and smell it. There's a slight smell to it once you put your nose up to it, but what I'm smelling I don't like. So I'm just going to open it up. We're going to check it out here right now. I don't like it. It's very earthy. And that's just, you know, I'm not a big earthy person for the bathtub. So, all right, moving on. What is this? Eat this, yum. Our kitchen, our hands, never co-packed. Uncured bacon marmalade with oranges and balsamic caramelized onions. That's going to be delicious. And it's something Pennsylvania. Isn't that going to be delicious? That's going to be deliciosa. And we got one more item here. And what is this? It's a jar, or it's a can of some sort. Some Simply Incorn ancient grain tea biscuits. Okay, made with whole grains, no refined sugar, plant-based. These tea biscuits are an ode to the mother of all wheat, Incorn. It is a non-hybridized wheat variety with a weak gluten structure. Our wheat is grown with organic methods and stone milled in the U.S. We are celebrating the grain and its original flavor and goodness. All right, we're going to test these out. I like it's different, unique, all about that. Get these opened. I love me a good tea biscuit. And they're shrink wrapped. Let's see here. I'm wondering what's the flavor. Oh, okay. So here they are. I mean, it smells kind of good. You definitely need a beverage with these because it's very dry. At first, the sweetness comes later, and it is not a lot of sweet. It's got a very, very unique flavor. It's not something I would buy. It's too plain for me. Now, if you're drinking tea or even coffee, you've got another flavor there for that profile. But these just straight up, not my cup of tea. So there you have it. Now, again, I think this box is around the $54 mark, but again, check down below just to double check, or maybe at $59. It's a much better value than getting the monthly. So recap, we got the tea biscuits, mustard, dill pickle. We have got a dip mix. We have got a bacon marmalade. We've got a peach salsa. We have got the avocado oil, and we got a bath bomb. So 100% you're getting your value. But it's like any other box, you might not like everything in it. And that's just how it rolls, you guys. That's just how it rolls. But we're getting our value. I think we got a good quality items here. So all in, even if I don't like everything, I think it's a good box. So there you have it. Now we just have to wait till next quarter and see what we get then. So, okay, I also need to get a drink. Too dry in my mouth. So, all right, you guys take care. Bye, everyone.